Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is another chunky one, but not a big and chunky one. This measures just over, slightly over 8 inches by 5 inches. It has 100 pages front and back, and it's stuffed full of ephemera. I've used digital ephemera from Artie Mays, Tsunami Rolls, Christie Art Designs and the Old Design Shop. So I've decorated the cover like this. This is some cardstock and it's been doubled over. It's been sewn, distressed, inked up, some pieces of scrap digital paper. We have this tag which I've chopped the top off of, and this is from Artie Mays. I've sewn that onto some doubled over coffee dyed paper. The word memories and some bling here. The butterfly has been glossy accented, and then it's got some glamour dust on there. We have eyelets and string as a closure, and let me go inside. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So the main pages are from Artie Mays, and this is one of the collage kit papers. I can't remember which one because I used different pages from different kits. And here we have a Terri Woods flip out pocket. And Terri Woods, excuse me, I just had a bit of a sneezing fit before this video, sneezy coffee fit. Terri Woods has tutorials on her YouTube, and I've linked her YouTube below. These, excuse me, these are new images from Artie Mays, from her Female Beauties. And I just made a little booklet. So that is there. I don't fit in there now. So that slots in there. We have a library card. We have some ephemera. And we have a tag. We have some ledger paper, some French, I think it's invoice letters from the Old Design Shop, some stamping, some lined paper, coffee dyed paper. This is a flip, and excuse me, this is some paper from Artie Mays, and I just made like a full fold out envelope, and that goes in there. We have a doily, paper bag, excuse me, a book page, some Edith Holden, some music paper. Here we have a pocket and a cluster. We have a little booklet here again with just scrap pieces and a little paper bag. And we have this tag. This is from Artie Mays as well. And is this. Here we've just got a pocket, and I've got a double heart and the word imagine. And we have some ephemera. We have a tag. And these little pieces of ephemera here. We have some more ledge paper and some more paper from the Old Design Shop. Here we have a, making sure I'm in frame here, we have a flip out, and I've made a paper ruffle for that flip out. And then we have this piece of ephemera. This is from Christie Art Designs, and then a French letter from the Old Design Shop. And I've done it so it's got the raggedy edges, and that just pops on there. And the paper clip is at the top. We have a paper bag. This was just a scrap piece, so I just made like a fold out and a faux envelope thingy bobber. And this is an envelope, so I've just popped that on there. Some more digital music paper, some floral book page, centre of the signature. Here we have another flip with another one of these. There's 4 of these in total, but each one is, the birds are different on them. And another French letter. And that just pops in there. The other side of this envelope, which I've just stuck a bit of washi tape on there because there was a little bit of the manufacturer's print on there. So you've got something, you've got the space in here to tuck things in there, and then this tag here, and I've just paper clipped that like so. The other side of the paper bag, another pocket here, the word treasure on these like ornate shapes. We have a large tag and a postcard. We have ephemera and a library card. We have another flip here and another one of these. So this has been printed on both sides, and that just stays there. Excuse me. We have another Terri Woods flip out page, or flip out pocket. And then we have another booklet. Excuse me. Another tag, some ephemera, and that just holds closed with the paper clip. We've got another flip here, journal card, some more French ephemera from the old design shop, and another piece of ephemera here. We have another flip with a paper ruffle, and we have another one of those, and that way another French letter. Where did that go? There it is. We have some Edith Holden book page, paper bag doily. Here we have oh, I'm so sorry for this coughing. I was actually okay until I started sneezing. Now I'm starting to cough. Another tag that's from Artie Mays. Another cluster. Another little book. Another little booklet, I should say, which pops in there. And that, I think that's pretty much it. That's the last flip. I just could not add any more to this because it's getting humongous. So, like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. The links will be below, and if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.